Hello everybody. Today we're going to take on a fun new project which regards making a fun avatar. This avatar will be half human and half animal, so it should be a lot of fun. And in order to do that, we will use a website which is mentioned below here, www.buildyourwildsite.com. So if you were to click here or go to that website, and I have that already open here, www.buildyourwildsite.com, you will see something like this appear, and we shall get started here by saying start over, and you can see a white canvas appears here where you will do your avatar. To start with, it asks you to kind of put a name here. You can put your own name down, or maybe you can put the name of the avatar you are making. So maybe the name of my avatar is Chili, whatever, it can be anything you like, and then you get started. So the first thing to do obviously is to determine whether you want to make a boy avatar or a girl avatar. So I like to make a boy avatar, so I click that and you'll see a picture appear here. You can pick the color of the skin tone, so it can be a little lighter or a little darker or somewhere in the middle. Maybe I'll pick a color that sort of looks like this, or how about that? Or actually, maybe I'll pick this color. Now once that is done, you can move on to the hair, what color hair that you want. This thing can be slid down and you can see many different hairstyles that you like. Maybe I'll pick a hairstyle that looks like this. Alright, so once you have the hairstyle, you can pick the color of the hair, a little bit darker hair if you like, or a little bit lighter one. Maybe I like this color, so I'll stay with that. Then you move on to the eyes, and under eyes there are three things: eyes, eyebrows, and glasses. So you can pick whatever you like. So let's start with eyes, and you can figure out what color eyes you want or what kind of eyes you want. Maybe I like this kind of eyes. And eye color, you can change that to make it a little different, a little green, a little darker, whatever you like. And if you're picky about eyebrows, you can pick some cool eyebrows, maybe something like that. And if you like, you can pick some glasses, or you can skip it if you like, that's alright. And then you move on to the mouth. Mouth can be, again, few different kinds depending on what you like. Maybe I make a mouth like that. That's a little cute, or something else, whatever thing that you like. Then you move on to clothes. Clothes have shirt style, decal, shorts, and shoes. So let's start with shirt style, whether you want this or that with a collar. I like the one with the collar. We move on to decal. Decal just tells you the picture on the t-shirt. So maybe I like a guitar, so that's me. Shorts, again, what kind of shorts do you like? Maybe I like one with a belt. And then finally, what color shoes that you like? I like little bluish shoes, so maybe that goes well. So you have all of that sorted out, and that basically completes the human part of your avatar. You will then move on to something that customizes the animal part of him, and the animal part is all these options that you have here. So all the ones in green. So let's start by just kind of looking at headgear. So do you want something sticking out from the head of your avatar? So it could be maybe something like this, or maybe something a little less aggressive, maybe some horns if you feel that's cute. You can pick some ears if you like. Maybe I like these kinds of ears. There's that. Or you can look around and see something else. Then we move on to any special aspects of the face. Maybe you like big eyes, or a trunk, or a nose, or something like that. Maybe you do this, or you pick something else. It doesn't matter what it is that you are after, so maybe you do that. Now one thing I did notice that is sometimes goes wrong with the software is when you click on this icon you actually get this picture in there, so it is off by one or two. So sometimes if you want this you have to click the image 2 steps above that. I don't know why that's not working sometimes, but just something for you to be aware of. Then you move on to arms. Maybe you like like something like this, or you can change stuff, whatever you like. You see all kinds of cool stuff here, and whichever one you like you can stay there. The bottoms just mean the bottom of the body. What kind of shape did you like. You can pick different things. It doesn't matter what it is that appeals to you. If you like penguin, you can do that, or hooves or something. So whatever appeals to you. Finally, some background on the wings that you can put behind him. So maybe you like a wings like that, or you can change something else. And lastly but not least, some kind of tail. Maybe you like to put a tail on your avatar. I'm going to pass on the tail, so I feel that looks good enough. And then lastly, there's a background. The background tells you what scenery is your avatar being placed under. So you can pick something you like, something like this or something like that, whichever appeals to you. So once you feel you have everything done, I like what I see, then you just say I'm done. Now that brings you to this is how your avatar finally looks like. You will see it tells you a little bit about the selections that you made here and some more information, which is all very cute. But if you just want the picture, you must do this very carefully. You see something that says get a wild desktop. It's very important to click that. So when you click that, it gives you a picture without that written stuff on the right. You can see the name that you put, a name that it's picked for you, and the picture here with the background. Now what you want to do is to save this image so that you can submit it as homework. So to save this picture, at least on IBM, you right click and you say save image as. So now you have the image and you can save it on your computer. So I can give this a name, say cool avatar.jpg. If you're not sure, ask your mom or dad to help you. You have saved this avatar now. Now you have this picture on your avatar. Now you have this picture on your desktop. So as part of your homework, you can then take that picture and email it to me so that I can see it and admire it and score you on that. But that's pretty much it. So you can use this avatar as you like. It has come out pretty cool, and as you can see, it took less than 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it and look forward to seeing your creative efforts. Bye.